Hey there, it's Mike here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Heath Bar Milk Chocolate English Toffee Bar. I've got an 18 count here. Now I have to admit that I've already been into this. I couldn't resist. I've already taken some out of these. These are some of my favorite chocolate bars here. We always use these in cooking. We make some scones with them, and they taste really delicious. We crunch these up right inside. Now what I'm going to do is this is a 1.4 ounce bar here. I'm gonna open this up. Just give me a second just to open this up here. Let me get that nice edge open, and here I'm back up here. Here we go. So this is an open bar. I'm gonna take a bite of this. Can you imagine? Pretend that's just you biting it. Let me see. That's really, really good. There's a little piece right there as well. That's a really good toffee bar. It's got that taste of milk chocolate on the outside. It's not too sweet, so it's not going to be one of those overpowering bites. But yeah, this is really, really good. It has that buttery taste inside. So yeah, if you're looking for a pack of Heath bars and you want something that's going to last a while, and it's going to be something that you can use either just to snack on or to use in your cooking, then yeah, this is something that you could check out. I hope you enjoyed my review.